How much would you weigh on other planets? Well, it all depends on where you go. And before you can find out how much you weigh on other worlds, it helps to have a little Physics 101. Weight is the force gravity exerts on an object due to its mass. Mass, meanwhile, measures an object's inertia. That's its resistance from being moved or stopped once in motion. For the most part, your mass remains constant across the universe, but your weight changes according to the gravitational forces acting on you. And those forces do vary from planet to planet and even on moons. Okay, let's talk physics. According to Newton's law of universal gravitation, everything with mass attracts every other thing with mass. So two objects attract each other with a force that's directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Written as a formula, it kind of looks like this. And this formula yields some surprising results. For example, Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has 316 times the mass of our little planet Earth. So you think, oh, I'd weigh 316 times more on Jupiter. But no, because while Jupiter is way more massive than the Earth, its radius is also 11 times as large as Earth's, and its gravitational force drops off over that distance by a factor of 1/112th at the planet's surface. Assuming you could stand on the surface of Jupiter, which, spoiler alert, you can't. So you have to calculate the proportion of Jupiter's gravity to Earth's separately using Newton's handy formula. We did the math for you, and if you weigh 150 pounds on Earth, you'd weigh 351 pounds on Jupiter, a paltry 57 pounds on Mars, and just 9 to 80 pounds on the dwarf planet Pluto. But what about the Moon, you ask? Well, the gravity there is 1/6 that of the Earth, so you'd only weigh about 25.5 pounds on the Moon. Your weight on other worlds, just another one of life's little mysteries.